or are you just browsing?
Yes, okay. Are you
Yeah,
open?
yeah, that's why I'm make sure you need any help.
Thanks.
No, the stir fry isn't it dry? I don't have the tempura vegetable thingy. Usually they
Green curry.
yeah,
Green curry
usually they
alright.
leave them whole in the cooked
It's very
dishes,
hot, isn't it?
but yeah.
It was hell.
Do what feels right.
Yeah, pretty hard. Check the recipe book for them.
No, her name's Natalie.
What's your name?
My name's Crystal.
Natalie.
Natalie, good to meet you.
Andy. You live in Jasper?
Yeah.
You live in Bali and you know the big Bali and Chennai.
Oh my.
Tiny fine and wow, that was amazing.
And
So
I
where
made
have you
like
been in
two side
Italy?
dish that is
Yeah.
must to eat with like you know this called kachura with tomato and onion and lemon. This is like salad and yogurt raita.
Give the recipe for that, or?
I didn't write the recipe for this, but I can give you guys
Or could
recipe
you just
because
tell me
I was
kind of what you put into it?
yeah I
Plain
can
yogurt,
yogurt okay cucumber
Probably lots of those things like different spices. Yeah, I put a lot of salt in it. I don't make mine hot sauce.
this is the thing that gives the raita.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, you all smell this before I don't know.
I've got some of that off you.
Yeah, you got
I
this.
think you
I got some of
showed
that.
it to me. Yeah. The smell I remember.
This is one.
Sprinkle that in.
Well, 'cause there's no salt in the seafood.
I can understand why.
So where are you and your husband from?
England.
What part?
Even the butter, you guys can
Okay.
smell the butter.
I've lived here a while.
When
Okay.
it
So
will
not
melt,
far from
this will
Manchester.
give like
Like
really
2 hour
good.
drive from London.
Yeah.
Have you been?
No, I
I've
would
not
have.
been. I'd love to go someday.
You try
And
it.
my husband's a big soccer buff, so.
Yeah. When this
Get in
will
touch
melt,
with my husband because everyone's just about
this is
Oh, okay.
yeah, this is the ghee. This is the ghee. This makes like really good.
Not very similar to butter.
yeah.
Yeah, because
Butter, isn't it? Yeah.
It's
this
clarified
is
butter.
like melted butter and you take whatever the foam come on top of the butter, you just throw the rest of the and this is
So
the
rinse.
black salt.
It keeps better.
This is very rare and very very good salt.
I think you take out like the proteins or something when you do
Yeah.
that. That comes out of the skin a lot better. If you consider warm climate,
You can even try
I'm
it.
trying to make
I will let you
butter
try
tea.
it.
Yeah.
Wait. Spoil it.
A lot of vegan vegetarians use ghee as well, don't they?
Although a lot of people are kind of switching over to olive oil.
This is the black salt. Black salt. Yeah, it is very different taste. Yeah.
I'm
Quite
definitely
mild,
have some
isn't it?
Yeah.
Pink salt.
Yeah.
Have you
Pink
got
salt
pink
has no, but this one has
pepper?
lot of. This makes the food really. You can even try it if you guys want to try it. I will put it in the.
Do you discuss salt?
Well,
Do you have a favourite
he
team?
doesn't have a favorite team overseas yet. He kind of follows it a little bit.
Yeah.
But here, he goes to a lot of Kansas City sporting games. And they've got a really nice park up there, so. And it's less expensive than any other sport.
Oh yeah. So he plays as well?
No, he doesn't
No.
play, no. No, he played American football growing up.
That's exciting.
watching, you know,
cut
real
that
late at night, the
peanut.
rugby games on, and
Yeah.
oh, okay.
You know, we need to cut the tomato and then someone wants to, whoever, because this is like everything, tomato, onion, and all the spices. I will show that will go at once in this with the lintel. If somebody wants to cut it, or then I will. Who will volunteer?
Alright, look at me.
Okay.
I don't wanna cry.
Just any size because it won't make any difference. Once it will go on the pot, it's just medium size.
Dice?
Yeah, dice.
Okay. Peeled onions.
Yes.
Okay.
Except for green chili and fresh coriander, everything will go together. And it will look like this.
Thank you. Your stuff is fabulous. You too.
It will look like this.
Thank you. I'll tell everybody you're open. How long you been?
Something
2 months.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we moved downtown.
I put it.
When you were downtown? Yeah, okay. I didn't know. Good. I'll tell everybody I know. I'll come back too when I need something.
That looks yummy.
Thank you.
Is this
No,
okay? Dice?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, hi, Ruth. Okay. We were just waiting.
Sorry, I had a bit of an emergency.
Okay. So she's here, so we can start. We already started. The first step is you can to cut the onion. We are just doing it this step by step, so you guys know because we are doing.
It's very good. Even though I don't cook, but
And I guess you can use any lentils, right?
You can use any lentil.
Okay.
What were you using then?
I use this lentil. This was I was showing. I use this lentil, and this is this lentil, and we are making the same. It is called moon lentil, and I just now we are starting, so I will show you. This was the first step to familiarize, and you know all those lentils. You can use any lentil in the same way. And
Pressure cooker?
yeah, I cooked it because, but you don't need it, but it is good. And this is already soaked one. This is the
Did
soaked
you
one.
say you soaked it for an hour?
Yeah, I soaked it.
1 hour.
1 hour, yeah. I soaked them. Once it is soaked, then, okay, then now we can start.
Alright, here's the onion.
Someone can put here the lentil, whoever wants to. In the pot.
And then you want the onion in the pot?
Yeah, we will do it. Just, yeah, put it here. Here, I will.
Kamal, I think if you explain with this your notes, step by step, then they will go through the notes
Okay.
and they can check what you are
Anything from
explaining.
the note you want to ask me before we
No,
go?
what I'm saying, yeah, Kamal, with your notes, you written the step, you know?
Yeah,
So
first
you go,
step.
yeah, so you go to the steps and then everybody can check what you are talking about.
So in a deep pot, add everything. The first step. Except for fresh coriander and green pepper.
Because sometimes you don't understand what she's saying.
And then add 5 cups of water.
means
So
you-
this is, who wants to add water? Somebody
I'll do
wants
it.
to add water.
While she's doing that, we can go ahead and
Yeah.
put the onion in.
I'm making 1 cup because 1 cup is your measurement and you got the recipe for 1 cup And then once you will learn to cook with 1 cup, then you can make more, you know. If I cook everything here, then you won't be able to figure out, you know, how to, the basic 1 cup figures, you know.
So is 1 cup enough for 2 people?
No, it will be 4, 5. Yeah, and it also depends that if you want to make it thick, then it will be little bit less. If you want to make it thin, then we can all share, you know. If there are suddenly more people come, you put one more water. So, okay, so we added like 5 cups of water.
Was it hot?
Yeah, the water's
You don't
hot.
have to, but it was.
Is it better to do hot?
No, not really. I'm just doing it because I thought we will cook it quickly, so you guys have some time. Okay, the next thing we will add is turmeric. So if somebody wants, okay, we add salt. This rock salt we are using, we don't have to grind it because it will cook for so long. So we can use this rock salt if somebody wants to add it. Let's put it here. 2. Yeah, and salt also you don't have to follow my direction. If you don't eat salt, you don't have to add it. But if you like to eat more salt, you can add more salt. It's totally your choice. And
Is that like sea salt?
yeah, this is rock salt, pink salt, but I we have sea salt. You can, and I'm using this black salt also. This gives lot of taste, but this will go in the very last minute of cooking. But right now we can add it half, 1/4 teaspoon.
Could you use ordinary pepper? Or does it have to be?
No, you don't have to. This is, I'm just using it.
You
This
just
is also optional. Black salt is optional. I just wrote salt. You don't have to because I had it and it.
1.5?
No,
Just one. See, I'm ruining it already.
No. The salt won't make any difference, you know. As I said, some people are not even eating salt, you know. So I cannot ask them. Salt is totally your choice. Maybe red chili. Somebody wants to put red chili. Who can want? Who wants to put red chili?
That might be dangerous.
No, this one.
Just one?
Yeah.
That's all?
Yeah. This is like really good red chili pepper, and it is premium quality, and it's like really considered the best. Most of the Pakistani Indian cooking are done with this. So I give you a. In fact, we will start and let everybody put next thing.
How many?
One.
You sure?
Yeah. And in fact, chili is also up to you. If you like really hot, then you can increase it, or if you don't like hot and you are like, this is the best lentil to use after operation. If you have an operation, this is the best lentil, the moong lentil after operation. This is like the perfect food to start for the babies also. This is so healthy, this one. The other lentils are good too, but this one is like the really good. So you want to put the turmeric, 1 teaspoon.
I have a question about the chili peppers. What is most authentic, or what do people in Pakistan prefer? If you were going to serve it and you didn't know what the person liked, how would you serve it?
Usually, you know, people, there are not many cultural different people, so everybody eats same kind of food. But here, I usually, when I invite people, then I ask them if they can handle the red pepper more, or, you know.
So is it just served spicy, just as a matter of course?
Because everybody there in the other country, they all eat the same type of really hot. But here, if I invite someone, then I ask them, do you think you can handle more pepper? Do you want light? And usually people say, no, we want to have the really hot because we want to try the stick. So, okay, did we put the turmeric? Okay. So after everything, you just stir it like Just
Yeah,
a little
it's
bit.
more
And
on-
then
yeah.
this did I put the coriander?
No.
No, the coriander's supposed to be last.
Yeah, no, that is the, I just use it a pinch. I didn't try it, but
Oh,
if
okay.
you want, you don't have to use it.
So the
It's
coriander
in the powder, yeah.
Oh, the powder, okay.
This is just,
I already did the onions. Here, somebody go ahead.
this is, okay, here. Coriander powder. This is also optional, like this gives the really, yeah.
Now, that's the same thing as cilantro, right?
Yeah, this is same thing. We have that cilantro and green chili, but we will put in the end of the cooking. And then this comes.
Wow, there was a light bulb right there.
Well, this is a prepared.
You want to do the cumin seed?
No, I didn't. How much?
One.
Now, in some foods, you put the cumin seeds in a bit of oil to get them really hot.
Yeah,
Toast them?
that
Yeah,
we will do in the very end. That's called tempering, and it is on the next page.
Okay.
It's called tempering. When because see, we are not using any oil, any butter. So when it is cooked, then we will use the butter, and then we will add everything again in that. But some people, if you are on diet, then you don't do the tempering. You just eat like this. That's very plain and
You
yeah.
could use olive oil.
Yeah, or do it like this. Okay.
Different, but
And this will be for tempering this whole black, red chili. We will use in the end. For when we will warm the butter, we will use these red chilies. Yeah, we will use this red whole chilies. These are very green, very dark green color on the tree. They are very, very small and very, no, I don't think so we have it here. They are like really, really hot. So it is better to use the mortar and pestle, the small one, to one or two. Just one or two will be enough. मुनीब एक तुम्हारा वो छोटा वाला mortar and pestle
I think that's what this is right
Yeah, the
here.
hole in the.
Chota.
Got like, yeah. Looks like when I
But
cook
they
for your,
dig it
when I cook for your dad, the oil, and you soak it in tallow before making.
I guess you can use this one. It is very, I will just do it for you. So you will.
Do you know what the pepper is called, that the chili pepper is called?
All around chili.
The plant?
The American one is sort of like those little orange habaneros.
Like
that you see.
habanero? Okay.
Yeah, it kind of has the same thing.
Is it any
But you
really
call
small
it
or long chili?
Yeah, I did it good.
One of those
We
fire
can put
crackers.
it in
We grow.
that will make, because I did the bhagar, tempering. That is from the tempering.
Oh.
You know, but if you want, you can add.
Yeah.
Okay, I am adding one, this, just one, but the rest, you know, the rest we will use for tempering. But we can add one if you want to. If you want, it will make no difference.
Oh, sure, that's great.
Because we will still use this now, ginger garlic. You want to put?
Sure.
Ginger will go half, yeah. Yeah.
Do you use the prepared stuff a lot, or do you use?
No, I
fresh?
use sometimes fresh. But for little, because it is like a soup, it is better to, but I use fresh also.
Tablespoon, maybe about 2 of these, right?
Yeah. Here, I give you a minute. This is like
I know, I can take a bath. This is probably gonna be in a big blob, is that okay?
Yeah, no, we will just then mix it. Yeah,
Save those
that is
little-
enough. For everything in the lintel, you don't have to be expensive, you know. Basically, it depends on your taste. We will use these again for tempering, so I put it here.
I've heard that, I have learned that you can take fresh ginger and run it through a food processor
Yeah.
and then freeze it.
Yeah.
I can break off a little piece and let that thaw out, and that saves me from having to.
Yeah, I put the fresh one.
Okay.
Okay, so now the tomato will go. Who wants to put the tomato? Someone wants to put the tomato? Here, I take this.
Oh, I think we're fine.
I will go through everything again before we will do the tempering. You know, we will. Okay, basically we use this lintel. Now cover it. And once it starts boiling, then you can even put it on low cooking. I bring that. Once this will start boiling, then you can put on low heat.
Yeah.
Low heat, because then it will give more taste. Okay, we started with this lintel. It's called moon lintel. You can use any lintel from there. But this is like really good for stomach and for people who had operation and for sick people also.
So this will make people cook down more than say the brown
Yeah,
ones,
the
brown ones, like the
yeah.
part doesn't cook down quite as much, or
People in Pakistan, India, they like the brown one a lot. The brown one. It cooks little bit, you don't mash it that much. You can still see the seeds, the brown one. It is cooked the same way, but you know, there are very, very, very slight difference between each lintel when you cook it. So it will take very long time to really know the fine line of between this lintel. But in the end, it tastes like almost like same. So we added salt, and you can use any salt. We added red chili. Is there anything missing except for asparagus that I don't have it? And that is optional also, and you just use it like a pinch. And tomato, we added tomato and green chili and fresh coriander. I have it, and we will add it in the end.
what else can you use asparagus for?
Basically, we use it in lintel also. Only
But
lintel.
you can also use it
Yes,
for some
for
kind of medicine, can't you?
yes, it is kind of like a medicine.
Yeah, my
Yeah.
grandma used to use it a bit.
Yeah.
When we were ill, we would get a bit on a teaspoon.
Yeah, it's like a really good.
Raw.
I already ordered it. It's kind of like a medicine.